This is a demo of an Anderson dual zone machine with a 24-foot table. The veneered plywood is cut using a 1/2-inch downchip of the dados and a 3/8 compression tool for the cutout. While the machine is working in Zone 1, the operator is labeling and clearing the finished parts from Zone 2. It is stopping to do a tool change to the 3/8 compression. The operator loads the new sheet in Zone 2 using the pop-up pins to reference rows. He activates the vacuum hold down using the foot pedals. The machine will go to ready position until the operator pushes the button giving the all clear for Zone 2 operation. It will not reach the neutral zone if the sensors detect activity in the working area. Now it will move to Zone 2 while the operator clears Zone 1. At this case, they machine 22 sheets an hour.